How do you think it went, Don?
You know, it was an embarrassment.
Really?
An embarrassment for that police officer, that arresting police officer. Didn't record the date or the time. Two very pertinent pieces of information. He saw Tommy coming before he even stopped him, and recognized him. He admitted he knew who Tommy was before he even stopped the guy as he was watching him come up. Both of the cops admitted they knew who Tommy was. They admitted they knew that the EDL hadn't been around in 10 years. So, okay, really, what's there to be concerned about? Tommy Robinson is one of the most recognizable faces in all of Great Britain, and you're stopping him on this terrorism act legislation. As an American, I can tell you, just sitting there and watching it, I was shocked that your freedoms can so easily be taken.
Is it worse than what you think after witnessing
that? It's worse.
Yep.
It's the most. It's so shocking just to sit in there and watch it. It's almost like they planned it. The two officers, you could see them.
Because I was going to ask, what do you think the motivation could be behind
I think the motivation was they were anti-Tommy Robinson.
Yeah.
When you look at all the information and see how they stopped him, they had zero reason to suspect him of terrorism or using this terrorism act legislation to stop Tommy Robinson. You can almost see they actually detained him for 45 minutes without any authorization to do so. They didn't have any right to detain him. Tommy sat there for 45 minutes when he could have just legally driven off. It doesn't sound a whole lot like a terrorist to me, does it to you?
But again, this is another demonstration of complete police overreach and two-tier policing and two-tier judiciary.
But it's really these two officers. It sounds to me like they conspired to get Tommy Robinson because they had zero actually legal authority to do what they did to him. So travesty of justice, man. I tell you, as an American watching it, it's unbelievable.
What do you make of that then, Don?
Yeah, well, I don't know. It was so cut and dried. The way this whole thing went down, the way they detained them, everything about it was unlawful.
Talking this morning in the queue, we were sort of like having this conversation about they're going to find a way to try and.
That's what it looks like to me. You know, Tommy was worried about this. I don't know. Maybe I'm reading too much into it, but it's so cut and dried how unlawful his detainment was. The fact that they used his ideology when they asked him, "Well, what did you ask? The questions did you ask him all about his ideology?" They're not allowed to do that legally. That's not what the Terrorism Act is for. So to me, it was really cut and dried. If this judge were on up enough, it would seem to me it was so obvious he would have just made an innocent decision or not guilty decision right there. But the fact that he's postponing it to me makes me worry that maybe the establishment's getting involved and going to figure out a way around it. You know what I mean?
But did the judge give a reason as to why that they were going to postpone it or adjourn it?
No, he did not. I guess he's just going to weigh the evidence and let us know.